Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that's all too familiar for many of us, breaking bad habits. Whether it's biting our nails, procrastinating, or mindlessly scrolling through our phones, we all have habits we'd love to kick to the curb. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some effective strategies to overcome those pesky bad habits once and for all. So let's dive right in. The first thing is to understand your triggers. The first step in breaking bad habits is to understand the triggers that prompt us to indulge in them. Triggers can be emotional, environmental, or even stress-related. Identifying these triggers is crucial because it helps us become more self-aware and conscious of our actions. Number 2 is to set clear goals. So now that you know your triggers, it's time to set clear and achievable goals. Remember, breaking bad habits won't happen overnight, so be patient with yourself. Start small and celebrate every milestone you achieve along the way. 3. Replace bad habits with positive ones. Breaking a bad habit is easier when we replace it with a positive one. For example, if you find yourself reaching for junk food when stressed, try going for a short walk or meditating instead. By replacing the negative behavior with a positive one, you'll gradually create a healthier routine. Step number 4 is to create a support system. Breaking bad habits can be tough, but you don't have to do it alone. Share your goals with friends, family, or even join an online community that focuses on habit change. A strong support system can provide encouragement, motivation, and valuable tips to help you stay on track. Step 5, which was highly effective for me and others, is to practice mindfulness. Being mindful of our actions and thoughts is essential in breaking bad habits. Pay attention to the moments when you feel the urge to indulge in the habit. Take a deep breath, acknowledge the craving, and remind yourself of your goals. Mindfulness helps us pause and make conscious choices, steering us away from our old habits. Number 6 is to track your progress. Keep track of your progress in a journal or on your smartphone. Documenting your journey can provide valuable insights into your habit-breaking process. It also allows you to reflect on challenges you've overcome and motivates you to keep pushing forward. Last but not least is to forgive yourself. Breaking bad habits isn't always a smooth road, and slip-ups can happen. The important thing is not to be too hard on yourself when they do. Acknowledge that everyone makes mistakes and see each setback as a learning opportunity. Be kind to yourself and get back on track with renewed determination. Here is my final thought. Breaking bad habits may seem daunting, but with the right approach and mindset, you can conquer them. Remember, change takes time and effort, but you're capable of making positive changes in your life. Before we wrap it up, let us know in the comments below what bad habits you're working on breaking, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found these tips helpful. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.